Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. The next topic is tooth. Let's start the topic. There are two types of tooth, temporary tooth or permanent tooth. Temporary tooth is called milk tooth, decidual tooth or primary tooth. The formula is 2102 by 2102. The total number of tooth is 20. This is the quadrant, right upper quadrant, right lower quadrant, left upper quadrant and left lower quadrant. This is central incisor, this is lateral incisor, this is canine, this is molar 1, this is molar 2. In one quadrant. Sequence of eruption is most important in this tooth discussion. The sequence of eruption of tooth. So, first of all, lower central incisor will come, lower central incisor, then upper central incisor, upper lateral incisor, then lower lateral incisor. Then molar 1, then canine, then molar 2. Lower central incisor, then upper central incisor, then upper lateral incisor, then lower lateral incisor. So, lower central incisor comes in 6 months and upper central incisor 7 months, upper lateral incisor 8 months, lower lateral incisor 9 months, and the molar 1 12 months, canine 18 months, and then molar 2 24 months. How to remember this in sequence? 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months. What in the viva you have to tell, like lower central incisor will come in 6 to 7 months. Upper central incisor will come in 7 to 8 months. Upper lateral incisor 8 to 9 months. Lower lateral incisor 9 to 10 months. Molar 1 12 months. Canine 18 months. Molar 2 24 months. Then rule of half dozen. Incisor comes in 6 months. Molar 1 comes in 12 months. Canine comes in 18 months. And molar 2 24 months. Then permanent tooth or secondary tooth. So this is the right upper quadrant, right lower, left upper, left lower quadrant. This is central incisor, this is lateral incisor, this is canine, this is premolar 1, premolar 2, molar 1, molar 2 and molar 3. 2 1 2 3 by 2 1 2 3 tooth. Eruption of permanent tooth. The molar 1 comes in 6 years. Then central incisor comes in 7 years. Lateral incisor 8 years. Premolar 1 9 years. Premolar 2 10 years. Canine 11 years. Then molar 2 12 to 14 years. And molar 3 17 to 25 years. Molar 1 comes in 6 years. Central incisor 7 years, lateral incisor 8 years, premolar 1 9 years, premolar 2 10 years, canine 11 years, molar 2 12 to 14 years and molar 3 17 to 25 years. But in viva, what you have to tell? 6 to 7 years. You have to add 1 year more. For molar 1, it comes in 6 to 7 years. Then central incisor 7 to 8 years. Lateral incisor 8 to 9 years. Premolar 1 9 to 10 years. Premolar 2 10 to 11 years. Canine 11 to 12 years. Then molar 2 12 to 14 years. And molar 3 17 to 25 years. Molar 1 6 to 7 years, then central incisor 7 to 8 years, lateral incisor 8 to 9 years, premolar 1 9 to 10 years, then premolar 2 10 to 11 years, canine 11 to 12 years, and molar 2 12 to 14 years, or molar 3 17 to 25 years. Then successional tooth and super added tooth. There is 20 successional tooth, means temporary tooth replaced by the permanent tooth. Temporary tooth replaced by the permanent tooth is called successional tooth. And superadded tooth is the tooth which comes on the new side or comes by themselves. Permanent tooth comes on the new side. This is temporary tooth or this is permanent tooth. So successional tooth is 20 in number, temporary tooth replaced by the permanent tooth, and superadded tooth is the 12 in number. Permanent tooth comes at the new side. So this is temporary tooth, this is permanent tooth. So in the temporary tooth, central incisor, then lateral incisor, then canine, then molar 1 and then molar 2. In permanent tooth, central incisor replaced by the central incisor. But this is temporary tooth, this is permanent tooth. Temporary central incisor replaced by the permanent central incisor. Then lateral incisor, so temporary lateral incisor replaced by the permanent lateral incisor. Then canine, temporary canine replaced by the permanent canine. Then molar 1 of the temporary tooth replaced by the premolar 1 of permanent tooth. Molar 1 of temporary tooth replaced by permanent premolar at the same site, and molar 2 replaced by premolar 2. So this is the successional tooth. Temporary tooth replaced by permanent tooth. So this is successional tooth. These all are successional tooth. Temporary tooth replaced by permanent tooth. This is called successional tooth. Successional tooth. But molar 1, molar 2 and molar 3. This molar 1, molar 2 and molar 3 comes at the different site, new site. So molar 1, molar 2, molar 3, this is called superadded tooth. Superadded means it comes at the different site or new site. So this is the successional tooth, 20 in number, and this is superadded tooth, 12 in number. Then mixed dentition means there is mixture of temporary and permanent tooth. Both tooth will be there. So age for the mixed dentition is 6 to 12 years. 6 to 12 years of age. In this age there is mixed dentition, and the number of tooth in this age group 24. 6, 12, 24. Age 6 to 12 years, number 24. Then they will ask the question, number of permanent tooth in mixed dentition. Suppose age 7 years of child. So they will ask the number of permanent tooth and number of temporary tooth. The formula age minus 5 into 4 means 7 minus 5 into 2, 8. 8 is the permanent tooth, and then 24 minus 8, 16 is temporary tooth. Then difference between the temporary tooth and permanent tooth. Formula for temporary tooth 2102 by 2102. Here 2123 by 2123. Number of tooth 20, 32. Size smaller, but exception temporary molar is larger than permanent premolar. Temporary molar is replaced by the permanent premolar, but the size of temporary tooth is larger than permanent premolar, permanent tooth. Here larger, exception is the same. Permanent premolar is smaller than temporary molar. Then direction, the anterior tooth is vertical. Anterior tooth is vertical, but in this case inclined forward. Then crown, china white in color, and this is ivory white. Then neck, more constricted, and in the permanent tooth neck is less constricted. Root, small but more divergent. Here root is large in permanent tooth but less divergent. Ridge is present in temporary tooth but absent in permanent tooth. Ridge is present in between crown and gum. It is feel like a ridge in between the crown and gum. Then temporary tooth, permanent tooth difference: 2102, 2102 formula, 2123, 2123, number 20, number 32, size smaller, but exception is there. Temporary molar is larger than permanent premolar. This is larger, exception is same. Direction, anterior tooth vertical, then anterior tooth is inclined forward in the permanent tooth. Crown is china white in color in temporary tooth and ivory white in color in permanent tooth. And neck is more constricted, less constricted. Root is smaller but more divergent, larger and less divergent. Ridge present in temporary tooth and absent in tooth. Okay, so what we have studied till now, there are two types of tooth: permanent tooth and temporary tooth. Formula is 2102, 2102, 2123, 2123, 32 in number, 20 in number. Then eruption, lower center incisor, then upper center incisor, upper letter, then lower letter. 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months. Then molar 1 in 12 months, and canine 18 months, and molar 2 24 months. Then here eruption, first molar in 6 years, then central incisor bilateral 7 years, then lateral incisor 8 years, premolar 1 9 years, premolar 2 10 years, and canine 11 years, then molar 2 12 to 14 years, and molar 3 17 to 25 years. Then we studied about successional tooth. It temporary tooth replaced by permanent tooth. So super added tooth, permanent tooth comes at the new site. This is called super added tooth. This is 12 in number, this is 20 in number. Then mixed dentition, 6 to 12 years, 24 in number. And the number of permanent tooth formula, number of permanent tooth is -5 into 4. Then difference between temporary and permanent tooth: Temporary tooth है 20 in number, 32 in number. Then neck more constricted, less constricted. Crown is china white in color, ivory white in color. Then direction vertical, this is inclined. Then root smaller and more divergent in temporary tooth, and permanent tooth root is larger but less divergent, and ridge present in the temporary tooth and absent in the permanent tooth. This is all about tooth, temporary tooth and permanent. Thank you.